Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Before I begin this video, I just want to wish everyone happy New Year's. Yes, I know I'm late, but better late than never. So happy New Year's guys. So today I am back with another video for you guys, and it's been a while since I uploaded one. I think about 2 or 3 months ago. But I am back, and today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve highlights, honey blonde highlights. So if you're interested, keep watching. So today I'm using a 12-inch lace closure wig, and this wig I made by myself on my sewing machine. This is a 5x5 closure, and this here is from Nadula's hair. So right now I'm starting off by sectioning the hair, and I think I made about 5 sections, and as you guys can see, I sectioned the front piece, the closure piece apart, just so I won't mess up my lace and get any bleach on it. So if you are trying this, make sure you do this also. So I'm going to take a small section of hair and apply the bleach. And I'm also doing this on foil just so the hair can process faster and I get better results. So yes, you're just going to see me keep repeating the same steps. And when it's ready to wash out, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. The hair has been processing for about 40 minutes and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go wash it out, blow dry the hair, and I'm gonna come back and show you what the results are. So this is the hair 100% dry. As you guys can see, it's more of a brown color instead of honey blonde. I noticed I was using 30 volume developer instead of 40. So what I'm gonna do right now is dye the hair for a second time. So I'm just gonna separate the brown pieces, repeat the same process as I did previously, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I wash it out. This is the toner that I use, the Vela T18, and I mixed that with a 30 volume developer, and that is what you see me applying all over the hair right now, and I let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it out. So the hair is about 95% dry right now, and as you guys can see, it's more of a honey blonde. If you compare it to the first part of the video, you're gonna see there's a big difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this hair, and I'm not really gonna focus on styling because I'm thinking on cutting it to a shorter length. So comment below, let me know what you guys think. Should I cut it? Should I leave it? So yeah, just watch me flat iron the hair and then wait for the final results. So this is the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment down below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.